please.
Oh, you want to stick it in here?
Yeah, so
Here, stick it in there.
the puppy blows. I think the cheese will bite it.
Go blow.
Alright. Puppy! Hi! Puppy!
What's her name, Kira?
Blow, hurry before the bubbles break.
Ginger!
There you go.
Oh, I think she probably already broke them.
Broke what?
When to blow,
You know how it's got the clear sheen on it so you can blow it?
Yeah.
I think when she bounced it, it already broke it. The, you know.
Yeah.
Do that again, Connor. Do it again.
It looks like it would hold it dirty, but I guess not. Well, yeah. I wish we had a...
You've got those,
Little kids are made out of cartilage.
Kira, you've got, I mean,
Little kids are, in fact, man.
Dee, you've got those cushions in there that you used to have on your floor that you could put under that. And they wash off, too. What?
No.
They wash off.
Oh, you mean the tiles, the little puzzle tiles? Yeah.
You can do that, and then they wash off really easily. They're foam.
Now, if we try to put it in the pool now, we'd have a problem.
Yeah.
Float.
You mean under the pool?
we can play your bow.
Yeah, we're just going to pick up, roughly 100 gallons of water.
Careful running around.